Hi everyone, my name is Enthusi. You are on the APMB96 channel. I created this channel to help people living in the United States get a driver's license. If you are in the United States, especially in Massachusetts, and you want to pass your knowledge or road test, make sure you subscribe to APMB96 and start watching my videos today. On my channel, you'll find videos that guide you through your knowledge tests and road test step by step. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to park your car on a hill. When you're gonna do your road test in Massachusetts or in the United States, they're gonna ask you to show how to park a car on a hill. Even you can do everything right on your road test, but if you cannot demonstrate how to park your car on a hill, you may fail. I'm gonna show you how to park your car on the uphill with curb, on the uphill without curb or with no curb, and on a downhill. To park your car on the uphill with curb, you need to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left, put your car on park, and pull your handbrake. To park your car on the uphill without curb or with no curb, you need to turn your steering wheel all the way to the right, put your car on park, and pull your handbrake. To park your car on a downhill or downhill with curb, you need to turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Put your car on park and don't forget to pull your handbrake. You can see the only way you turn your steering wheel to the left is when you are parking your car on a uphill curb. Then any other way they ask you that is not a uphill curb, you just gonna turn your steering wheel all the way to the right, put your car on park, and don't hesitate to pull your handbrake or put your car on park. Remember, I told you, if your car is already on park and your handbrake or emergency brake is already on, just touch them to show the examiner that you know what you are doing. If you like this video, don't hesitate to share to your friend and your family and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, APMB96. I'll see you in the next video.